Do you struggle to catch her interest and wonder why your conversations don't spark that connection you are aiming for? You are not alone. Many men find themselves lost and in an attempt to find tactics that just don't cut it. But today, we are changing the game. Forget about the flashy stuff and the rehearsed lines. It is not about what you have, but how you communicate. That is where the magic happens. This video is your way to master conversations that not only catch her attention, but keep her coming back for more. By the end of this video, you will know how to talk and stand out as a high-value man. Number 12, engage in smart conversations. Listen up, gents. Flexing your brain is where it is at. The true mark of a man's attractiveness isn't in just chit-chat or eye-roll-inducing one-liners. It is in the depth of his dialogue, the kind that sparks curiosity and lights up the room. Now with this, I am not asking you to become the one who is all about parading his knowledge, but engage in discussions that are as knowledgeable and meaningful. Sure, laying your thoughts bare can seem daunting, but that vulnerability is the secret sauce to genuine connection. A high-value man values intellect, both his and hers. And this, my man, is the ultimate turn-on for every woman. So yeah, smart is sexy and irresistible. Number 11, offer encouragement. Women crave a man who is in their corner, but let's get real. Mindless cheerleading doesn't cut it. Your encouragement should hit deep, like a soulful fist bump that lifts her spirits and makes her feel unstoppable. When you get the hang of meaningful support, you are no longer just another guy. You are her go-to, her rock, and the high-value man she desires. That is the kind of connection that lasts and deepens with every word of genuine encouragement you offer. Number 10, confidence is key. A man who lacks confidence is invisible. Actual charm comes from a man who radiates confidence effortlessly. You will never see a high-value man who is shy or insecure, and neither would he be just puffing up his chest. It is the energy he exudes, the way he navigates conversations with ease and assurance. As you do this, you snatch the limelight. Real confidence is grounded. It speaks of a man who knows himself and is at ease in his own skin. This level of confidence doesn't just attract, it fascinates. It signals stability, maturity, and a depth of character that is downright magnetic. Number 9, it is the little things that count. Zeroing in on the small stuff about her is your ace in the hole. Spotted her wearing a t-shirt of a band you know, or a cap from her go-to sports team? That is your in. Whether it is a niche YouTuber she is into or an unusual piece of jewelry she is wearing, these details are your golden tickets. Engage in conversations about these tidbits and watch her eyes light up. For example, if you notice she is always carrying a book by a certain author, bring it up. Say something like, "I couldn't help but notice you are a fan of," say the author's name. What is your favorite book by them? This shows you are paying attention and value her interests. When you acknowledge the choices she makes visible to the world, you are making her feel acknowledged. And just like that, you have laid the groundwork for a connection that could easily slide into date territory. Number 8, connect over shared interests. Finding things you both are into is absolutely cool, and it is also a low-key but strategic move. It is all about the psychology of familiarity. We gravitate towards what feels known. So when you stumble upon something you both enjoy, it shifts her perception of you. And it is not about casual things like agreeing on the best pizza topping. This strategy works wonders in real-life scenarios too. If you are at a party and bump into a breathtaking woman, kick things off by asking how she knows the host. With that move, you will build a foundation of a shared connection. As you explore these shared interests, don't be surprised if she starts closing the distance to show her comfort and interest. Women appreciate a man who genuinely seeks out shared passions, not just for small talk, but because he is authentically interested. Number 7, treat her with respect. If you think respect is just a part of the game, think again. Because honestly, it is the game. Offering anything less is a deal breaker. Women are done with being underestimated or pigeonholed. If she has got her sights set on building skyscrapers, don't downgrade her dreams to something less ambitious. That is outdated and frankly is outright disrespectful. Know that a woman's aspirations are as boundless as the cosmos. Showing genuine respect will make you win her over. It is about lifting her up, not dragging her down. And if she is not looking to mix romance with you, that is all right. Respecting her space and her decisions is the base of a genuine, respectful bond. Number 6, go for deeper discussions. Ditch the boring chat about the weather or the robotic "how was your day" exchanges. If you actually want to leave a mark, it is time to get real. Forget the small talk that does nothing except for scratching the surface. A high-value man seeks depth and substance in conversations. Show a genuine interest in her world, her thoughts, her feelings, her stories. Listen with intent by giving her the room to share and be herself. When you move past the minor and engage in conversations that resonate, you become the man who understands her. This will make every moment you share profoundly significant. Number 5, originality over cliches. It is the 21st century, dude. For heaven's sake, let go of those cheesy pickup lines. They are relics of a bygone era. You are not starring in a second-rate romantic comedy, so cut the act. The high-value man knows better than to rely on stale scripts. Authenticity is your ally. Initiate conversations with sincerity by showing a genuine interest in her as a person. Forget about impressing with rehearsed lines. Your real charm lies in being genuinely engaged. Be the man who seeks a connection, not just a fleeting moment of attention. Authenticity trumps cliches every time and makes a lasting impression rooted in real interest. Number 4, genuine interest goes a long way. Okay, listen up, literally. A high-value man always aims to be unforgettable. He does so by showing genuine interest in what makes his love interest unique. This goes beyond superficial compliments. You need to engage in meaningful conversation that shows you are truly attracted to her. Focus on her passions, her dreams, her essence. When you are the man who is invested in understanding her, you lift her sense of worth and distinctiveness. It is just like saying, "I am here fully present and you are my focus." Women find this kind of undivided attention extremely appealing. It ignites a spark and makes the way for a connection that is deep and long-lasting. Number 3, listening is loving. Being a great listener outshines being the loudest voice in the room every damn time. Don't be the guy who is all about flaunting his wins or his wealth. Be the man who listens with intent. When she shares her dreams and passions, be all in. Engage, interact, and show that you are genuinely invested in her narrative. Drop the rehearsing for your next line. Live in the moment by focusing on her words and her experiences. This is how you make each interaction memorable and set the stage for future conversations that truly matter. Number 2, bring joy through laughter. Laughter is your key to unlocking her heart. Being the source of genuine smiles and laughter is priceless. But for the love of God, don't be the lowbrow humor to bring cheap laughs. Be that intelligent man with a heartfelt humor that speaks volumes of your character. Lighting up her day with laughter shows you are not just fun to be around, but also deeply empathetic and socially savvy. If you master this blend of wit and warmth, you will reveal your emotional intelligence and ability to elevate any moment. Number 1, explore her passions. If you want to fast-track your way to become a high-value man, get genuinely curious about what fires her up. Talk about her interests beyond small talk because it is your way of showing you care about what makes her tick. But keep it smooth. Don't leap into deep questions like you are ticking off a checklist. Start casual with a chat about your latest binge watch and gently guide the conversation towards her favorites. This approach will help you find common ground and show her you are interested in exploring her world together. Just like a high-value man, uncover her passions as if you are discovering a precious gem. Conclusion: talking to a woman like a high-value man isn't about grand gestures or putting on a performance. Stay relaxed and respectful. There is no room for arrogance here. Exercise patience and stay authentic, and you will find that making a genuine connection happens naturally. Keep these tips in mind and watch as she starts to see the high-value man in you. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.